I always get asked the question, do I need to stage my home? Do I need to declutter it? Do I need to update it? And that's one of the favorite questions I get asked by sellers all the time, because when you go in a home, you've got to look at a house through a buyer's lens. And if you're a seller, that's so hard to do because you live in the home. You don't see what a buyer sees. So when you have us in for a professional walkthrough, we love to go in and get our stagers in there and then do a consultation. Do I need to paint my wall if it's red? Do I need to paint my walls white? Do I need to put in new floors? Do I need to put in new carpet? What can I do to add value to your home? And the question is always answered with yes, and. Yes, and that's going to do value to your home. Yes, and that's going to help you with upgrades. The question is it worth it in today's market? And to be honest, we don't know until we see your home. We know that when we pull comps in your neighborhood, if there's 10 homes on the market and 9 homes are under contract, you may not have to do as much work. If we pull 10 homes on the market that are active that you're competing against and 1 is under contract, you're going to have to do all the work. We're going to have to do floors, walls, paint, staging, everything. What we do know, regardless of what the market's doing or not doing, buyers want a clean, crisp home. They want to come in, they want to see clean walls. They don't want scratches on the walls. They want your baseboards to be clean. They don't want to see clutter. This is a real clutter-free society. They don't want pictures all over your walls. They don't want personal stuff up. So you need to declutter. You need to take everything off your countertops, and you need to look like you don't live in your home. So it's just a different market we live in today. If you're curious to know what your home's worth in today's market, and you're curious to know what updates need to be done to get you top dollar, let us know. We'd love to come out and do a consultation and meet with you.